Good morning, my name is Juan Pablo Correa. I'm going to share my social startup. It's about the employment exchange for all the demobilized people from the guerrillas and paramilitary group. So we are going to work with my foundation. It's the Swecol Foundation. It has some program for the demobilized people and for other people from other countries. So we are this are going to have like a bridge between the social startup and the people that we want to attack. So how I tell you, it's about the mobilized program for the mobilized people. There are cooperation programs for work. So that's the idea for the social startup and employment exchange platform that they can find a job. So we divide the people. There are 65,000 of the mobilized people. They are divided into three groups: the AUC, FARC, and ELN. We divide into male people, female. The highest population is about male person. 81% of these people are male, so it's only to divide the market and know how we can attack this. For the FARC, there are a lot of people. We divide into armed and collaborators, into militias and civilians, to know what kind of jobs they can apply, what are their abilities, what they did in the past when they were in the armed groups. So we want to divide all of this to know better the group. So if we are the FARC people, there are 27 militants. Divide this into 5 years of our program, and it's going to have 5,400 people per year. We have to divide this to know what kind of job they can have. So to 2,592, they are illiterate, so they don't have any knowledge about how to read or how to write. So it can be like some challenge to know what kind of job can apply these people. The other people have a basic level of literacy, so we have to know what kind of job they can apply. We want to know about the demobilizations per year. We know that from the 2016, the demobilized people increased a lot because the peace process with the FARC group. So we expect a 60% growth per year. So in 5 years, we expect a highest growth. This takes into account the rate of dissidence of this group, the people that don't accept the peace process or they don't want to get back to the war. So we have to take this into account. So for departments, the demobilization for departments, we know that in Antioquia, Bogota, Guaviare, Córdoba, there are the departments with the highest demobilization. So we have to focus in that departments. We want to focus on the hiring enterprises. So if these enterprises can share the people, we can transfer, we can make a bridge between the demobilized people and these business that are hiring this kind of people. We have Éxitos, Sodexo, Terpel, Coca-Cola. So our platform and the social startup is going to have this into account, the bridge between the demobilized people and the enterprise. From the public sector, we have a lot of support. There are about $683 million from US dollars. So we want to apply to this, to get to this kind of support, to kind of this money, to get a better solutions for these people. The unemployment rate in this moment for the civilian people are 10%. That is very high, take into account the other countries. But if we look the ex-combatants, it's about 23%. So that is a higher number than this. We have to focus on the people because there is a lot of people that are without a job. We found that not even the 1% can get a higher education, and only the 30% is going to have a work. So the other 70%, it is not going to have a work. It represents about 42,000 unemployed people. So that is a very high number if we take into account the society we live. we will help these people. So our possible solution is work for the developed platform for these people. How Gandhi says, there is no way for the peace is the way. So we have to focus on that. You can find us in the social medias. You can find us in Facebook. You can find us in Twitter. You can write us whatever you want. And thank you so much. We have these papers for all the people. You can share all the information that you have. We want to collaborate with these people. How I tell you, my startup is about a social enterprise. So it is not about money. It is not about anything. It's about to help these people. So we develop the workforce, the platform, and we hope that these people can apply to that job. Thank you so much.